Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to Jinamon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how to make chocolate ombre butter cake. That's very easy to make and turn out so delicious. It is super moist, and I hope you're going to give this amazing recipe a try. Just look at it, guys. Let's get started. In the mixing bowl, I'll sieve in flour. I'm using all-purpose flour. You can use cake flour as well. I then added in baking powder and salt. Sieve it and then stir it till well combined and keep it aside. In a separate bowl, I'll sieve in cocoa powder. I'm using unsweetened cocoa powder. So sieve in and then add in sugar, vanilla extract and hot water. Use hot water. So add it to it, mix till well combined, and add in baking soda. So add in the baking soda, mix till well combined again, and set that one aside as well. So this is the consistency you're looking for. Keep it aside as well. Now let's move to the cake batter. In a mixing bowl, I added in softened butter. Make sure your butter is soft. If it is not soft enough, just put it in the microwave for about 15 to 30 seconds and that should be fine. Not more than that. If not, your butter will get melt totally. So whisk, I added in sugar and then whisk for about 5 minutes until you get to a soft bake. After, I added in eggs. I'm using 6 eggs, but I added it to it 2 at a time. So don't add it all at once. Add in 2 at a time. If necessary, use a spatula to scrape the sides and then add in the rest of the eggs. So this is the second batch. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. Whisk till well combined again and then add in the rest of the eggs depending on the quantity that you're looking for, depending on the size of your bake pan. So this is the last batch of the eggs. I whisked for about 3 to 5 minutes till well combined before adding in the dry ingredients. The flour, I divided it into 2, added in half, whisked till well combined before adding in the rest. And then added in vanilla essence as well. You know, you want to have a flavor, like you can use any flavor of your choice, but I went in for vanilla flavor. So I whisked till well combined and then added in the last batch of the flour. Whisk again till well combined and then add in your milk. So basically these are all the ingredients needed, and then the butter should be thick as demonstrated in the video. So this is the consistency you're looking for. It should be something like this when done. Keep that aside, and then to the chocolate mixture, add then divide the cake batter into 3 equal parts. Add in 1/4 to the chocolate mixture and then whisk or stir till well combined. So that's what you're looking for. It should be something like this. Make sure you line your baking tray with the parchment paper and then pour in the butter, but don't pour in all. Leave about 3 tablespoons and then make sure you spread it well. After, I then use a spatula to make sure it is well leveled before pouring on the second batch. So please make sure you spread it well. And then the 3 tablespoons left, I divided the cake batter into 2 equal parts and then I added half to the leftover cake chocolate mixture. Mix till well combined again. So as you can tell, this is more lighter than the first one. And then when spreading it on top, you can use a piping bag, but I was in haste, so I just did it like that. So when you spread it, make sure you spread it well, and then don't make it like don't put force or pressure on the spatula. Just be gentle with it and then spread it well. Make sure it's well leveled, and basically that's it. It's very simple. If you don't understand anything, just watch the video carefully and then everything will be okay. So bake this at 170 degrees Celsius from 45 to 1 hour. 170 degrees Celsius from 45 to 1 hour, depending on the quantity of your eggs, on the size of your baking tray, of your loaf pan and everything. So after 1 hour, mine took 1 hour. After 1 hour, that's the end result, guys. This is not just beautiful, it is super moist, and it turned out so delicious. I hope you're going to give this amazing recipe a try. Just look at it, guys. This is beautiful. I was so happy of the outcome, and trust me, Mama Mia, it is delicious. If you're a cake lover like me, you definitely love this recipe. Just look at the layers, guys. This is the best ever ombre cake that you would ever eat. Just look at it. Wow, good, best idea for breakfast. And guys, I hope you surely try this recipe. Let me know if you enjoyed watching. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.